G'day viewers, Retro Man here and welcome to the 80s Show. Now moving right along to 1986, and Hutchence actually got a starring role in an Australian film called Dogs in Space. This was a post-punk film set in the late 70s, but what can I say, Hutchence contributed 3 songs to this soundtrack. The first one was the titular Dogs in Space. He also did another track, guys, called Golf Course. That was interesting. And another one called Rooms for the Memory. For more on Michael Hutchence and Dogs in Space, please visit the 80s Show. Stay gold.